So my little sister's new to YouTube, and I'm a super busy woman, so it's hard to get together and collab with really anybody, you know. So this video is going to be a collab with Trampled Rose and a giveaway. I'm so excited. Let's get to it. Hi y'all, it's Stephanie and welcome. If you're new to our channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section down below and give this video a big thumbs up. It will certainly help out the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm super excited. This, as I said, is a collab with my little sister Rosie. I do have so much going on. You know, I manage a YouTube channel, film, edit, record, all that great stuff, plus all the other crafts that I do on the side to perfect everything that I put in the videos. Plus, I have a nighttime job that I go and I work like 6 days a week. So, you know, and I work nights. And then I'm also a full-time college student, and I'm so excited about this too. I just barely registered for the last semester of my bachelor's degree. So I'm super excited. We have a lot going on here, but we can't stop now. So I wanted to do a collab. So she's new to YouTube. She's new to resin. So I figured this would be the perfect collab to do with her. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm sending her some things. I'm sending her about a $300 package worth of things. And we are offering it to you as well. So we are having a giveaway. And everything that I'm showing on this video and she's showing in that video that I haven't showed is all going to you. So I am going to film this part. She's going to film that part. We're going to upload them on the same day. And from now until the end of May, this giveaway will be until the end of May. All you have to do is like both videos, comment on both videos, share both videos, and subscribe to both channels, and you will be entered to win this fabulous giveaway. So let's get started, shall we? First and foremost, you're going to need a gallon of resin. I know it's quite a bit, but this is going to help every crafter begin their resin journey. So I am sending a gallon of resin. This here is extreme resin. It's very simple to work with, it's very easy to use, and that's why I chose this one. As y'all know, I love extreme resin. No, I'm not affiliated. No, we're not in collab with them for this video, but extreme resin. Now, everything I do show in this video will be linked below, and she'll have links on her video as well for the rest of the stuff. So we got resin. I'm sending a gallon of resin out to my sister so she can get started on her resin journey, and one of you lucky guys. So I hope that y'all join in. Now, since I am sending out resin and a few other things that's not really for anybody under the age of 18, you know, without parent permission and approval and all that great stuff. This video or this giveaway is for 18 years and older and United States residents. Unfortunately, I don't have the ability to ship overseas yet. I'm hoping to change that, and I do apologize, but I mean, that's just what I can do right now. I apologize. Okay, next, everybody needs protection when working with resin. So I'm sending out seamless, powder-free gloves. These are vinyl gloves. They are not latex. So if you have a latex allergy, we don't have to worry about that because they're vinyl. So you get a box of gloves. There's 100 gloves in that box. I know it's kind of hard to find gloves right now, but you get them. So that's good. Okay, so we got resin, we got gloves. I'm also sending out 16 ounces of acetone. This is professional acetone. It's 100% pure, and this is to help clean up any resin spills or if you get it on your skin or anything like that, because as you know, resin can be a pain to work with. So I am definitely sending out something to clean up a mess if you make a mess. So next, what we got is we got this mixing kit. Now, I didn't want to go and buy a whole bunch of disposable cups and everything to send to you because I want something that you can use over and over and over again. So I'm sending out 3 of the miniature resin cups. We got 2 silicone stirrers. These are disposable, they're the pipettes, but those aren't really that expensive. If you need more pipettes, you can, they're really actually pretty cheap to purchase. And then we got some finger cots, so you don't have to use a full glove, you can use just a finger. Okay, so, and then in this kit, you also get a 500 milliliter cup. It's in shape of a heart, it's super cute. And then you get 2 100 milliliter cups. So all this is going to be in here with the resin and the acetone and the gloves. So basically what I'm doing is I'm giving you a kit that can help you get started on your resin journey. And this is only part of it. There's actually, I left quite a few items for her to unbox for y'all because I'm super excited and I know she's going to be excited too, and I don't want her to see what she gets before she gets it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so, and then I'm also sending 2 silicone mats. These mats are 16.5 by 11.7 inches, so they're pretty good size mats to protect your workspace. I'm sending this heat pin, or this heat gun pin. This is made for crafting, and this is what it looks like. Just the heat gun to help you pop the bubbles. That way you're not using a torch. And that's going to help. And then I also got a lot of requests for the domino molds that I use. And this ain't the exact same mold that I use, but I decided to purchase a mold to give with the kit that y'all can use to make your own personalized dominoes. So I'm super excited about this kit. I hope you will join in on the giveaway, and of course this is open to new and current subscribers, so just go ahead and subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my little sister's channel, like both videos, comment on both videos, share both videos. You know, let's get the word out. The more people, the more chances to win. So I am super excited, and I hope you join in on our giveaway. So if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit the subscribe button down below and go over there and check out her video. Y'all have a great day. Bye.